Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Mohammed Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Dis+. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a higher mathematics class of class 10. Our today's topic is chapter 9 discussion plus exercise 9.1 question 4. Dear students, in this class at first I will discuss about chapter 9. It means here we will learn exponents, laws of exponents, explanation of the root, solving problems using this laws or using these exponents. How can we solve the problem? We will learn in our today's class. Dear students, so when I will complete our today's class, you will be able to learn what is exponents, laws of exponents, explanation of root, solving problems related to exponents. It means I have written here exercise 9.1 question 4. Here we will see two questions, 1 and 2. These two questions I will solve in our today's class after the discussion. Okay, dear students, so let us see what is exponent at first. Exponents. Dear students, now suppose a is a real number. A is a real number. If we multiply the number a n times, then we will get here, if a is real number, and if we multiply a n times, then we will get a to the power n. That will be equal to product of a in this way up to n times. In this case, we can say a is the base, and n is the exponent of the base a. Exponent of the base a. Here a is the base and n is the exponent of the base a. Exponent of the base a. Dear students, here if you notice, this n is called the exponent or the power or the index. This n is known as exponent or power or index. Dear students, so I hope you have understood what is mean by exponent. So exponents I have discussed. Now next topic, laws of exponents. Dear students, in this case we'll learn some law of exponents here. The laws are, at first I will write here first one. In this case, if a belongs to R, if a belongs to R, and we can write here mn belongs to n, mn belongs to n. In that case, we will write here, we can write some laws. One is a to the power m into a to the power n, that is equal to a to the power m plus n. A to the power m plus n. Then we can write here a to the power m by a to the power n. In this case, we can write two formula, that is a to the power m minus n. If we divide a to the power m by a to the power n, we will get here a to the power m minus n when m is greater than n. But if it is m is less than n, then we can write a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power n minus m, 1 by a to the power n minus m when m is less than n. When m is less than n. Okay, dear students, now see the next formula. Next formula is, we can write here, or next law is a to the power ab whole to the power m is equal to a to the power m into b to the power m. Then next law, we can write here we can write also b also is contained in R. A, B, both A and B both are contained in R in this case. Okay, now we can write the next formula. What is the next formula? Next formula we can write here a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power, or we can write here a by b whole to the power m is equal to a to the power m by b to the power m. Here we need to remember that b is not equal to 0. In this case b is not equal to 0. We need to remember that. And 5 we can write here a to the power m whole to the power n, that is equal to a to the power mn, that is equal to a to the power mn. We can write this formula. Here are some other formulas we can write here. A to the power 0 equal to 1 where a not equal to 0, and then we can write a to the power minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power n, 1 by a to the power n. Then we can write if a to the power if a to the power m is equal to b to the power m, then we can write a is equal to b, a is equal to b. If a to the power m is equal to a to the power n, then we can say m is equal to n, m is equal to n. Dear students, if you can memorize this formula, you can solve the problem related to exponent easily. You have to memorize this formula very carefully. Okay, dear students, so learn the formula and try to apply the formula in solving the problems. Okay, dear students, now we can go to the next topic. Next topic is explanation of the root. Dear students, here if you consider a is a number and x is another real number and n is integer, then we will get here n is natural number, then we will get here if n belongs to n, a is real number, and if we get another real number x, that means x is our real number, then we can express x to the power n equal to a. If we can write x to the power n equal to a, then we can say x is equal to nth root of a. Then x is said to be nth root. X is the nth root of a. Then x equal to, and that we can denote by in this way, nth root of a, x equal to nth root of a. Okay, dear students, so here x is the root, x is the nth root of a. So this is the concept of root. Okay, dear students, now we will get to the next topic, that is solving problems. Here we will solve two problems from exercise 9.1 question 4. You will see two questions here. For show that first one, a to the power 1 by 3 minus b to the power 1 by 3 into a to the power 2 by 3 plus a to the power 1 by 3 into b to the power 1 by 3 plus b to the power 2 by 3 is equal to a minus b. We have to solve this problem. To solve this problem, we can write here, as we need to show, we can write here left hand side. We can write here left hand side of first question, exercise 9.1, we can write here exercise 9.1, question 4.1, that is left hand side is a to the power 1 by 3 minus b to the power 1 by 3 into, we can write here a to the power 2 by 3 plus a to the power 1 by 3 into b to the power 1 by 3 plus b to the power 2 by 3. Here is the left hand side. This is the left hand side. Dear students, now if you notice here, here is a to the power 1 by 3 minus b to the power 1 by 3. We can't do anything here. But if you notice, you can apply the formula in the next portion. That is, we can write this as a to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power 2, it means whole square. We can write plus, we can write here a to the power 1 by 3 into b to the power 1 by 3 plus, we can write here b to the power 1 by 3 whole square. We can write this as b to the power 2 by 3 means b to the power 1 by 3 whole square. So now if you notice here, if you consider a to the power 1 by 3, a to the power 1 by 3 as a and b to the power 1 by 3 as b, if you consider, so you will get here a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this means a cube minus b cube. You know a formula, that is a cube minus b cube. So we can write here a to the power 1 by 3 whole cube minus b to the power 1 by 3, a to the power 1 by 3 minus b to the power 1 by 3 whole cube. So we can write this as here a to the power 1 by 3 into 3 minus b to the power 1 by 3 into 3. We can cut this 3 and 3, we will get here a minus, we can cut this 3 and 3, we will get here 1. If the index is 1, then no need to write. So we will get a minus b. A minus b means this is the right hand side. Okay dear students, so we can say left hand side is equal to right hand side. If you notice the question here, this is equal to a minus b. So left hand side and right hand side are equal. So we can write here left hand side equal to right hand side short. So first problem is solved. Now we will solve the second problem. What is the second problem here? Second problem is a cube plus a to the power minus 3 plus 1 divided by a to the power 3 by 2 plus minus a to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 is equal to a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 minus 1. We need to show this. As we need to show this, we can write the left hand side again in case of question 2. So we can write here left hand side, question 2, left hand side, that is equal to, we can write a cube plus a to the power minus 3 plus 1, that means a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1. So we can write in this way here, as this is 3 by 2, we can express the numerator as also a to the power 3 by 2. It means a to the power 3 by 2 whole square. So if you multiply 3 by 2 and 2, 3 by 2 and 2, this 2 you can cut, it means only 3 will remain, it means we can write a cube. So instead of a cube, we can write a to the power 3 by 2 whole square. So in this case, we can write a to the power minus 3 by 2 whole square plus, we can write here now, if we want to try to apply formula, okay, write one, just nothing else, a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Now you can try to apply the formula in the numerator. Which formula you can try to apply? Here is written a square plus b square. We can try to apply here the formula a square minus b square. So we can write here, sorry, a plus b whole square. So we can write here a to the power 3 by 2 whole square plus, to apply the formula we need 2. We need 2. A means a to the power 3 by 2. Consider a to the power 3 by 2 as a. Consider a to the power minus 3 by 2 as b. Now 2ab plus b square means a to the power minus 3 by 2 whole square. Now we need to make balance. Here we have a to the power 3 by 2 whole square, a to the power minus 3 by 2 whole square. So these two we have, but this term we don't have. Now try to understand here, if we write here 2 a to the power 3 by 2 into a to the power minus 3 by 2, then we can write 2 into a to the power, here is 3 by 2 minus a to the power 3 by 2. It means 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 means a to the power 0. A to the power 0 means 1. So this means 2. Here this term equal to 2. It means that this term equal to 2. but here is given 1. So I have written one more. It means that we have to subtract here 1. We have to subtract here 1 to make balance, as this term means 2. So we can write in this way. Now we can say a to the power 3 by 2, this will remain same, plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Now we can write this as a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 whole square. For these three terms, we can say a square plus 2ab plus b square. It means a plus b whole square. Minus 1 means 1 square. So we can write here a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1. This will remain same. Now we can apply the formula in the numerator, a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So if we apply the formula, we will get here a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2. It means a plus b. Another one is a minus b. It means that a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 minus 1, as here is a plus b into a minus b. Now the denominator is a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Now if you check here, a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1, here is a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1. So these two terms vanish each other, these two expressions vanish each other. So we can cut these two. We will get here only in the numerator a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 minus 1. So this is our right hand side. See the right hand side here. So this is our right hand side. Okay dear students, so we have proved here. So we can write here right hand side. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Dear students, I hope you have understood how to solve this problem. Do this problem at home, practice more and more. Okay dear students, so keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe, see you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.